Social Security Administration. How can I help you?
Hey, sweetie, just calling you back. I missed a call before.
Okay. Um, could you please verify me with your name?
My name is James Blake.
Sorry.
James Blake, Blake.
Okay. Okay. Um, the reason you were contacted today was to inform you regarding some legal enforcement actions filed on your social. We have got an order to suspend your social at this right moment because we have found some activities going on your social. Did you receive any phone calls from the local police department?
No, only from you. What's your name, sweetie, so I can write this down?
Sorry?
What's your name, so I can write this down?
You contacted to Federal Officer Rosemary from Social Security Administration.
So you said Rosemary, did you?
Yes.
What's your last name, Rosemary?
My last name is Mary, Marry. I told you.
Oh, okay. You're just a little unclear on the phone there, sweetie. Okay, continue on, please. I got your name down.
Your social has been found some criminal activities in the south border of Texas. Have you ever been to the state of Texas before? So,
No, I wouldn't go there. That's a terrible place.
before that, I'll give you your case ID number. Please grab a paper and pen and note it down.
Okay, I got a paper. Just let me look for a pen. Yeah, I got a pen. Okay, go ahead. Shoot.
It's capital D as in Delta, capital C as in Charlie,
Yeah, got that.
capital D as in Delta,
B as in boy. Was that right?
D as in David,
Okay, I've got.
C as in Charlie.
Yeah, I've got the DC bit, sweetie. What's the rest of it?
It's a DC 7010.
Okay, DC 7010. Yeah, I've got that, sweetie. Go ahead.
So we have found an abandoned car. When we have investigated, we have found an abandoned car with some blood sample and drug residues inside it. Hence, after investigation, we got to know that the car was rented on your name and on your personal social information. Rather than that, there was linked with your social that was the city of Raleigh was raised by the U.S. Marshal, but unfortunately there were no one in the residence. But we have recovered somehow 9 to 10 pounds of
Administration.
cocaine.
The reason you have
And
received this phone call from our department is to inform you that there are
I'm just checking the message, sweetie, to see what it says here. Hold a second.
legal enforcement actions which have been filed on your social security number involving fraudulent activity.
This is your message, I
So
hope.
when you get this message, kindly
Yes.
call us back on our hotline number.
Okay. All right, continue, sweetie.
so I was talking about there were two addresses linked with your social. That address in the city of Raleigh was raided by the U.S. Marshal, but there were no one in the residence. But we have somehow recovered 9 to 10 pounds of cocaine, which is an abusive drug, and some financial documentation from institutes such as Chase Bank, Bank of America, and US Bank. So, do you have any knowledge about this criminal activities?
No, sweetie, I wouldn't have any idea what you're talking about.
Okay, this is a case of drug trafficking and money laundering. So, as we are also having a very short time, we have checked your past records, and your banking contains genuine records, and your social has no other complaints in it. So, do you want to cooperate with us, with the Department of Treasury, because as you social, you're so using your sorry,
Sorry, I just sneezed there, honey.
okay. And do you want to cooperate with the Department of Treasury, sir?
Yeah, I'll cooperate fully, sweetie. I don't want to be in trouble.
Sorry?
I'll cooperate fully, sweetie. I don't want to be in trouble here.
Okay. So,
Excuse me.
I'll try.
Sorry,
Sorry?
continue. I've just, yeah, you're sneezing at the moment.
That was weird. Are you playing with me? Do you think it is a joke?
What do you mean, sweetie? I'm not joking with you. This is serious stuff.
You.
Continue.